All right, today we are going to be doing the stream table lab. Looks like that. All right. And what a stream table is, this is table, kind of like box kind of thing, and it has a bunch of sand in it, and you make like a little channel to stream in it. And what you do is you turn on the water and let the water flow through that little stream channel. And what it does is, as time goes by, it shows you how erosion takes place, how material gets transported, how deposition takes place. And you see how the channel, the stream changes. You can see what kind of depositional features form and so forth. So that's what we're going to be doing today. All right, so things we're going to look at. So we'll look at the actual stream channel or stream table in a minute here, but setup's kind of like that. So first off, get the water going. What we're going to look at is, where is the erosion taking place? Does the erosion primarily take place on the inside of a bend, on the outside of a bend? Also, when erosion is taking place, how does that change what the shape of the stream is? All right. Deposition. All right. Erosion is when the little particles get carried away, but eventually those little particles get dumped in a new location. So we want to look at what that feature looks like when the stuff gets dumped or deposited in a new location. All right. And we're also going to look at what effect gradient has on the shape of the stream. So we're going to start off with just the table being at a slight incline, but after a while we're going to make it steeper, and we're going to see what that does to the shape of the channel. All right. So in your lab, we're going to be basically drawing three things. So on the first drawing, the first big box you have, that section right there, it says raised end on one side. I'm going to take the camera over to the stream table, and what you're going to have to do is draw where the stream channel is and what the shape of the stream channel is. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to let the water run for a while and we'll watch what happens for a little bit. And you're going to draw how the stream channel changed after some erosion has taken place. And what we're going to do for the second one here is draw what depositional feature forms as a result of it. So this is kind of like the before picture of the stream. This is like the after picture of the stream. Now, thirdly, what we're going to do is we're going to mix things up a little bit. We're going to make the channel with a larger gradient, so the land steeper. So we're going to see what effect the increasing the gradient has on what the shape of the stream is too. All right. So So that is the stream table. All right. This bucket here I'm going to fill with water, and the water is going to be flowing out of there, going into there, and then eventually flowing into there, and then the water's flowing down here into the sink over here. All right, so first off, I'm going to give you a sky view of the stream for a bit. So here's what the stream channel looks like right now. So on your paper, in that first box, you want to draw the shape of the stream channel. All right, so I'm going to hold it here for, I'll say like 20 seconds. If you need more time, you can just hit pause on the video. All right, so that's going to be long enough for me here. Again, if you need more time to draw it, you can just hit pause on the video. All right. All right, so here is water. Alrighty. And I'm going to turn the water on. Now let's watch some erosion. Now if you notice, right through here, it's eroded back somewhat right through there, and it's eroded back some right through there. So this distance right here is gradually getting a little bit smaller. All right, so I've pretty much gone through the whole bucket there. Again, you can see a little bit of the erosion back there, a little bit of the erosion back here. Over here, it's cut back some and moved back farther this way. But what you also want to see is this thing right here. That feature there is called a delta. So on the second box on your lab, what you want to do now is draw what the stream channel looks like now. So you want to draw where the stream channel is, taking note like how much it changed. And then you also want to include in your drawing this feature right here. Now this feature right here typically has kind of a fan shape to that. That's called a delta. All right, so a delta is the depositional feature you get when a stream or a river enters into a larger body of water. You get this delta right here. All right, so you want to draw what it looks like now for your second picture. All right, second box in the lab. All right, and then so if you need more time to draw, you can just hit pause in the video. All right, so what I'm going to do now is we're going to see what happens to the shape of the stream when I increase the gradient. So this thing right here, I'm going to lift up some and hook it on this, and we're going to see how an increase in gradient has on the shape of the stream. All right. All right, so all right, so we're gonna have it going now with the increased gradient, so the land steeper. So it's pouring about the same amount of water, but you see, wait a minute. This is actually happening a lot faster than I thought it was going to happen. But what you notice is that when I make it steeper, the water's not going around the bend anymore. What you should notice is that the water's going more in a straight line. The water's going more in a straight line. So it kind of cut between the two, it kind of connected the two bends, because this used to go like that. It's cut between the two bends, and now the water's going in pretty much a straight line right there. All right. So typically when the shape of the land has a larger gradient, the streams are typically pretty straight. When the land is flat, that's when it has these meanders in them more frequently. All right. So yeah, that happened faster than I thought it was going to. All right, so what basically you should notice is it basically made a straight line now. So it's probably not going to do too much more different from that. So for the third box on your lab, what you just want to draw is where the stream is now. So the stream is making a straight line. When I increase the gradient, when I made the land steeper, it's making a straight line like this. And then you're getting the delta. Since the stream channel changed, I'm still getting a delta, but before the stream was coming out down here, now the stream's coming out there. So now it's forming the delta up here. So you want to draw the stream going straight, and then the delta right there is what you're going to draw on the lab. All right. Then once you have that done, then you just have some questions to answer with the lab, and that's pretty much it. All right, so yeah, we'll just stop here because it's not really going to do anything different.